What's going on, everyone? I just got done editing all of our Disneyland videos and California Adventure videos. We had season passes for about a year, and on the rides I took my 4K gimbal stabilized low light camera. So for the next few weeks I'll be dropping those videos. So if you want to see what the ride's about, stay tuned and we'll take you on a POV adventure.
Hundred Acre Wood, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh.
The Winnie the
set
Pooh
off
ride.
in search of honey.
Oh, look, me! Winnie the Pooh! Mama, look! I'm a kite! Hang on tightly, Roo!
Happy Wednesday!
We'll save you, Piglet! First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun!
Goodness gracious!
I'm Tigger! Right this way! Heffalumps and Woozles.
Different every time.
Heffalumps and Woozles. Steal honey. Beware, beware. Heffalumps and Woozles.
Yeah.
Heffalumps and Woozles.
You got that crazy. Thank God this isn't a sentence,
What a wonderful dream.
Wake up!
Keep your hands out of your mouth.
Wake up! They're right here! Is this right?
Watch.
Time for your party, Cole!
I'm sure you'll find my present to be precious.
Yeah.
Gracious!
You'll never guess what it is. The wonderful thing about Tigger is they give you a birthday present.
Oh, that was fun!
These are all